Hey, what's up, grill makers? So today I'm going to teach you how to do the bridge design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can get future posts. You want to have your carver. So we're going to cut about this much here and cut it back down evenly. So first thing we want to do is take this line right here and go up on it. Come up, stop. You don't want to go all the way to the top. You want to give about a good, almost a half an inch from here to here. All right, so we go up here, stop. Same thing, go up here, bring it down there. Just cut right through it. So now that we had put a slit right here, now we're gonna measure that. We want it about a half an inch from the top, okay? So let's just make a little indentation right here. Right there.
Well, boys, we hit the jackpot this time.
Small. Do it again. Make it even. Do it again. Do it again. Okay. Just make that line. You don't gotta cut it yet. Just make the line so you can see how even it is. And we're gonna cut it. Just remove it right off. Now you can just shape it off. Get rid of some of the excess. Make it nice and clean for casting. Nice and even. Like I said, half an inch from the top. And if you want to learn more, don't forget to hit the link below. And also check out some of the deals we're having.